Okay, I think I have had way too much coffee today. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Shar, and today we get to talk about one of my passions, and that is skincare. I love skincare, obviously, if you can't tell. I struggled for years with bad skin, and I was always trying to hide my skin with makeup, and I still love makeup. I still have a passion for makeup too. All my makeup is behind here just going, hey, what about us? I still love makeup, but years ago, it dawned on me that why not repair your skin instead of always trying to hide it with makeup? In the past few years, I have tried so many different products, and I know which ones work. The best part of my skincare routine, especially my AM skincare routine, is that it is affordable. And I paid for all of these products myself. These were not sent to me. I don't sell any of these products. These are just ones that I have chosen throughout the years that I know are very effective and work, and they're affordable. I am gonna insert clips of me using these products. So I'll have a shirt on, but normally I am just like slathering them all down my body and everything, but that is a whole other channel. So we're gonna keep it clean for my channel. Just know that I take my skincare down my neck, my chest, my arms, my hands. Really, skincare begins on the inside. So nutrition is so important to how your skin looks. As I mentioned before, I have rosacea, and whenever I drink too much wine or don't eat very well, I get a rosacea flare-up because that's inflammation. Rosacea is inflammation, and it starts within the body. I have mature dry skin. I should probably also tell you that. If you've got oily skin, the steps that I'm gonna list, I'll list them right up over here. The steps will be the same in the order in which you use the products, but the products themselves would be geared more towards oily skin if you have oily skin. I'm gonna take you through the steps of my AM skincare routine and the products that I'm using right now. My first step is to cleanse in the morning, and I like this CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. Sometimes I will just rinse my face with warm water, but mostly I like to use a cleanser that will remove any dirt and sebum that may have built up overnight. I love cream cleansers. They are great for dry skin, and I stay away from foaming cleansers that can be too stripping. Also, I only use gentle cleansers that don't irritate my eyes. After I rinse that off, then I just pat dry with a washcloth. I really don't believe that you need to spend a lot of money on cleansers. I think that there are parts of a skincare routine that you could splurge on. I could do a whole other video on that. Skincare items to splurge on and other items stick with affordable. This would be an affordable item I would stick with, a cleanser, because you put it on and then you rinse it away. Okay, the second step in a AM skincare routine is toner. You can use either a hydrating toner or an acid toner. My acid toner I save for my PM skincare routine, and in the mornings I use my hydrating toner. I just pour some into my hands. I don't even bother with a cotton pad, and then I just press this into my skin. This is so hydrating and helps treat inflammatory skin issues such as rosacea and acne. Toners are meant to balance your skin, helping your skin to better absorb any skincare products that follow. This particular product is an essence toner, so it has essence in it, which I will explain in the next step. I really love this step, and I love this product as well. My husband uses it. Even my daughter, who has oily skin, uses this. The next step is an essence. I combine these two steps, but these are the steps in which you would do this if you've got a toner and you have an essence. You would do your toner first, and then you would do an essence. This is the essence that I have. super high end. This one, for example, this has fermentation in this essence. Fermentation creates acidity on the surface of your skin to gently remove dead skin cells and clears the way for any follow-up skincare products so they can penetrate deeper and better into the skin. In other words, you get more bang for your buck with the treatments that go on after this step. Essences are designed to be very nourishing. They, again, amplify the next product that goes on after them. This is a step, you do not have to do this step, but these are the steps in which if you had an essence, this is where it would go in your skincare routine. Next step in my AM skincare routine, serums. Serums are super concentrated, nutrient dense treatments. Now, these are structured to target any areas of concern that you might have. The general rule for these next steps are you want to go from the thinnest consistency to the thickest consistency. I always go in with my vitamin C serum. This is the Timeless 20% C plus E plus ferulic acid. Great antioxidant. So because this is a thinner consistency and how watery it is, this goes on my skin first. I always apply my serums to damp skin. They absorb better and deeper into the skin when it's damp. Vitamin C is excellent to help brighten dull skin, help fade dark spots, and even out skin tone. I go crazy with this stuff. I use a full dropper of this and I press it into the skin, down my neck, chest, arms, and hands. But I do avoid the eye area and lips. This serum helps to firm my skin and it gives my skin just an overall healthy glow. Also, consistency is key when you're dealing with skincare treatments. You can't just put it on one day and then not do it for a few weeks. You really need to stay consistent on a daily basis. If you've had trouble with vitamin C in the past and you've had trouble with it breaking you out, you might want to try this one if you're interested in getting a vitamin C into your skincare routine. This is a great brand and a great product. The next serum that I use is from the same brand, Timeless, and it's the Coenzyme Q10 serum. Now, Coenzyme Q10, I actually take a supplement of that as well, and then topically I will put this on. This Coenzyme Q10 is something that is found in our body. It starts to decrease as we age, but it's found in abundance when we're younger, and it really helps to build collagen. CoQ10 has been used in Japanese skincare for years. I love this stuff. This potent antioxidant protects the skin against sun damage and free radicals. It evens out skin tone, and like I said, it stimulates collagen as well as elastin production. CoQ10 helps the overall health of your skin cells by energizing the cells and keeping them active so they can rid themselves of toxins. I tend to go a little crazy with this one. I put this all over. You can actually put this over your eyes and your lips, and I just press it into the skin, again, down the neck, chest, arms, backs of hands as well. I use this serum year round, but this serum, because it's so hydrating and has so many nourishing benefits, it actually makes it perfect for the upcoming winter months. And all skin types can benefit from this serum. These are my two Powerhouse serums that I use in the daytime. So, brow serum. I've noticed that my brows have been growing in a lot more. Now, a brow serum that I know that works is black cumin seed oil. What I do is I take a spoolie and I will dip that in the black cumin seed oil and then put it on my brows, and they have grown back so much thicker, and my hair's starting to grow back too. I started kind of losing my hair because of menopause, and so I have like some thinner areas, and it's actually started to grow back with that black cumin seed oil, and I just kind of put it at the temples and places that my hair is getting a little thin, And my husband uses that too. He's got like a little tiny bald spot back there, and his hair totally grew back. If you've got lash serum or brow serums, this is where I would put it on. Okay, so the next step in my routine is an eye cream or a gel or a serum. This is where it gets a little tricky. It really depends on the day. I have so many eye gels, eye creams, eye serums. I could do a whole other video just on that. And this is what I'm talking about. This morning, my eyes are so puffy, so I don't want to go in with anything too heavy. So I'm gonna go in with an eye gel instead of an eye cream. I put this on my ring fingers and tap this into the orbital bone area. I don't go too close to my eyes. Your eyes are constantly moving, so you don't need to get too close with an eye treatment. The next step is moisturizer. Again, it depends on the day. If I feel like my skin is dehydrated, there's a difference between being dry or being dehydrated. Then I amp up my skincare with more hydration. I will go in with either this hyaluronic solution or the snail mucin. Both give that added hydration. I'm gonna use the snail mucin today only because some texture started to appear in my skin again. This has growth factors in it which help to get rid of textured skin. I don't always do this step. The CoQ10 serum is usually enough hydration. I just assess my skin on a daily basis to see what it needs that day. And sometimes I just need a little bit more hydration with a first step moisturizer. And if you have oily skin, this actually might be enough for you as a moisturizer. Next step, I go in with a moisturizer. What I am currently using is the two, actually, it depends on the day. I have the CeraVe Facial Moisture PM, not AM. The AM one has a sunscreen in it, and this one I find is more hydrating and sinks into the skin a lot better than the AM one. I use a moisturizer to seal in everything that I've already done for my skin up to this point. This CeraVe moisturizer is good. It has ceramides, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid. This one's really good for all skin types. I really like this one by First Aid Beauty. It's actually one of my favorites, and this happened to me this morning when I tried to put it on. I will be working on an empties video, and yeah, you'll have to wait and see if this is one I would repurchase or not. I think you know the answer. This is the one I'm using now. I could do another video on just moisturizers. Last step, sunscreen. And I always wear at least a 30 SPF. I have so many sunscreens. This is another one of those steps that depends on what my skin needs are for that day in order to decide which one to choose. I've done a whole best of sunscreens video if you want to go check that out. But this is the most important step in any AM skincare routine. It should be your last step in an AM skincare routine in order to protect your skin for the rest of the day. Because that's what your AM skincare should really be about. AM should be about protecting your skin, and PM should be about repairing your skin. I use this Color Science Total Eye 3-in-1 Renewal Therapy. This is a mineral sunscreen for the eye area and a treatment for puffy eyes. It also has a color correcting tint to help with dark circles. I will put links below for all of these products that I've used today in case you're curious about any of them. Then I finish with a lip treatment or balm of some kind. Today I'm using this Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask. No matter what skincare routine you have, I encourage you, if you don't have one, to get one. Even if it's just a cleanser, a good serum, and a moisturizer. And then you can even build on that. I would love to know in the comments below if you have some favorite products, Or if there's a video that you want me to do that's more specific to certain products. So I could do a whole video on cleansers. I could do a whole video on just toners and different toners for different skin types. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I could go on and on about skincare and talk more about skincare, and I would love to do that. I would love to do another video. If there's one that you would like to see in regards to skincare, please let me know. And I would be more than happy to do that and help you out. Otherwise, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you're notified when I upload a new video. And with that, you guys, we'll see you in my next video. Take care.